accident.
last on the list. It's a whole thing, yeah.
Now, so after the accident,
Exit
the
regrets.
USSR scrapped
Really?
their next planned launch until they could redesign the Soyuz. That's the spacecraft that was meant to take people back.
Just
and
go
forth
through
to
the
Soviet
plaza
Union.
and re-enter the highway up there.
That redesign took so long.
Really?
They couldn't get anybody back in time.
It was 6 and 5, I believe, when they played the game, and they beat them.
Exit dive.
Crickets don't count in this game. We know that. And if they could, they're legit. They go into the playoffs. They want to prove that they can be better than just
Exit dive.
and qualifies for the playoffs. They want to be a threat.
It's probably like a space propulsion thing for the ISIS space station. It's you know.
Sorry, Eli, it's a small
Nope.
correction. It's
A nice cutoff.
It's called the International Space Station, like calling it the ISS. As Americans, we generally recognize the birth of our nation as happening in 1776, when the Declaration
Nope.
of Independence was signed.
Behind
It's
me.
kind of like dating the birth of your child to the first time. No, I like mine though. Because I make subtle corrections throughout the mission, right? So like thrusters are like the pedants of space. Right? It's good stuff.
And mine is load, really, Cecil, in the same year as my botched vasectomy. Too soon, sir. Too soon.
Botched vasectomy? Did you get somebody else pregnant? What happened? Botched vasectomy? What are you talking
Cecil
about?
doesn't know. I
Get
have
the
3 balls
fuck
in my
out of
head.
the way.
No.
You had to know
about your
that.
botched vasectomy. Oh, well.
Seriously.
Interesting. Anyway, I'd like to take a second.
And the Jets. 7 and 4. They're not guaranteeing anything this year.
All right, that's like third exit
Rays,
dive in a
Fires,
row.
Kelly,
That's
Bolton,
2 of them at once on this one. Of course.
Pete also has to answer.
We're exit diving this Thanksgiving.
Why they open fire?
Oh man, if he uses a force field, this is going to be a
No,
Joseph
you didn't really
Smith
stop,
situation. I know a Joseph Smith situation.
I gotta say though, I do miss.
Oh, what? Really? Alright. Yeah, Nissan drivers. Actually, no, that was a Toyota. Never mind. How dare I get my car brands wrong? Red light run.
Close the door, and we want them to think of us when they do make that decision. Be received and welcomed and accepted.
100%, exactly. That's why you leave that door of communication open, so they know they have that lifeline out there. That there's someone they can call, someone they can reach out to, whether it's
Really?
a Facebook message.
All right, I'm leaving you plenty of room, Tesla. Plenty of room. Plenty of room to move over here to comply with the laws of the great land of Massachusetts, and you failed. So you're going in the video.
But the work also included an emaciated street dog tied to a wall by a length
Nice
of
cutoff.
rope with Eros Lokelis, you are.
Talking to what does he do? He shows up to school the next day and looks like the savior because he comes with all this food. And
Nope.
replaces all this food, and I'm thinking
Toyota.
everyone's just thinking he's this great guy, and I'm like,
At all and thinking, oh my God, that's gonna be, you know, my husband
Yeah.
and me.
well, a little bit, but at that time, I wasn't seeing a lot of red flags. But he
Oh,
didn't
what?
spend a
Oh,
lot of
whoa,
time
whoa,
at home
whoa,
because
whoa,
he
whoa,
was,
whoa, 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 whoa,
lo and
whoa,
behold,
whoa.
we did not know at the time, having an affair with his secretary. So that is why he started teaching the polygamy.
Exit dive.
To force men over the age of 40 to use their fucking.
I just want to point out, it's that time of year again where it's dark out earlier and earlier and earlier, although granted it's like 11:30 at night. But yeah, that car ahead of me has no headlights on, has no taillights shining at me, driving with their running lights on. Someone could run into the back of them if they're not paying attention, which, you know, what are you gonna do?
Do I want? Who's putting in the effort?
Right, yes.
Yeah, exactly. For my baloney
about the brand.
Well, what did I most
Really?
see on Instagram stories? Oh, it's the okay, all right, fair, yeah. My favorite part of the Wikipedia article is the notable events, where it says, quote, on July 17th, 2009, a Wienermobile in a comment along the mountain pass.
the troops at Leonidas is stationed there see that force coming, realizing that they were outnumbered 20-1, realize that they don't have a sweet, like, narrow pass to defend in slow motion. Or
Nice cut off.
They ox plows. So you plow back and forth in that way. But so I'm going to have to go a secret answer E, all of the above.
Ah, that's correct. Well done. Reason to that. All right, Noah. What was the thespian musical about the Spartan last stand at Thermopylae? A.
Exit dive.
B.
Can't plan for shit. Although it's a very slow motion exit dive because of all the fucking traffic that's here.
Wills's clothing added another layer of intrigue. He died wearing 2 t-shirts. The outer one emblazoned with a Guess clothing logo.
Yeah, you're cheating through that parking lot. Douchebag. It's probably going to take you forever to do the deed, and I'm 90% sure this light's going to switch before you get a chance to. Because that light just turned red. Really, you're such an asshole. Really.
Woods? Like, you're gonna get an explosive collar affixed to your neck, man. Something like that's gonna happen. It's on the outskirts.
I don't think you can turn.
What is the address?
He was going more straight.
One transmission. How?
I know, right?
I think that's right turn only.
A famous tennis player dressed as an idiot needed them to help storm a castle.
Finally,
Someone lose a
rescue
mattress?
Fletcher
Holy
from the
shit.
Rangers jersey? You know now that I'm...
Tennis player dressed as an idiot needed them to help storm a castle.
Finally,
Someone lose a
rescue
mattress?
Fletcher
Holy
from the
shit.
Rangers jersey? You know now that I'm...
I managed to write a lot of words about a tennis player and still not learn anything about tennis.
Nope.
And are you ready for the quiz?
Let's do it.
I swear, if Nick Fuentes is waiting on your side of the mic to warn us about the dangers of communism...
I think that was an exit dive.
This is actually the most...